What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Bethel Osiki and I'm a fashion designer, aspiring fashion designer, soon to be fashion designer. So today's video is going to be about how to make a skirt. So in this video I show you how to cut a basic skirt. I cut out this block by using my hip and my length measurement. To my length I added 2 inches and then divided my hip by 2 and added 4 inches. I use my hip because that's the biggest part of my body. Next I'm gonna mark out my waist, hip and the base. To get my waist measurement I divided it by my original waist, which was 26. I divided that by 4 and that gave me 6.5. And then I'm gonna add 2-inch allowance to the waist, 1 inch for that and the other one for same allowance. The distance from the waist to the hip is 8 inches, so I'm gonna mark 8 inches from the top of my waist to where the hip is supposed to be. I divided my hip, which is 35, by 4 and that gave me 8 and some inches, but I just rounded it up to 9. And then I'm going to go ahead and add an inch allowance to that, making it 10. So on that hip line I mark out 10 inches and then connect it to the waist. So now for the base measurement I'm going to take my hip, which was 10, and just bring it down and then subtract 1.5 inch allowance from it. So I just connect the waist, hip and base points and cut. To cut out the back, I fold my fabric into 2 on the wrong side, and then I bring my front pattern, which I already cut out, and then place it on the folded fabric. And for the middle I'm gonna leave 2-inch allowance, and that's gonna serve as my zip allowance, and then I trace out and cut everything as normal. Thank you so much for watching my video guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. And also if you like to see me do videos like this, do let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. You can subscribe like right now. This is a really good time to subscribe. If it's still red, it means you haven't subscribed, so please subscribe and hit the bell beside the subscribe thingy so that you can get notifications when I post every Sunday. So I hope to see you next Sunday with a video on how to sew these skirts.